2:26 p.m. 22 January 2025. APCC final Karbi Anglong. 244 to win for low budget. They are on 111 for 2 in 24 overs. Still long way to go, but not difficult. So Longkomar Qatar betting just came in because of the dismissals of Avinas Tivari. Okay, that might be 4 or not. Yes, it really does. Longkomar Qatar got a century against them in their last league match. So Bokajan have to take wicket now. Pu Samson, Doctor also coming to watch the final match. Girlfriend bilang nonton. Joshua B score a century, 50 to 50s, and quality 35 in a semi-final lose to Bokajan. Jinong is going to take his most valuable player awards. Higa Bats Company sponsored the winner of MVP for this year's APCC under 19 boys. So he is here. So this is myself, Premson Bay. Yeah, really nice weather. The autumn spring is approaching. The weather has changed a little bit. Not exactly winter, not exactly spring also here in Diffu.